The standalone version of mycentral.com allows you to publish results from your surveys. This means that you can quickly and easily create output pages visible on the internet that anybody can review based on the results of surveys that you've carried out, ensuring transparency and feedback to those people who've helped you by responding. It's a really simple process and is really powerful. I'll show you how it works. First of all, enter a new title. The new publisher page is created, and you step through the page creator, which is a 4-step process, quite the same as the way that you create your surveys. You set your title, your display type, and add a description if you want to. You can even add an activation code. That means that only people who have your activation code will be able to see the published page should you choose to make it available to them. So, having filled in the top level info, we go on to step 2. We choose a colour scheme for our layout and we upload a logo image just like we would on a normal survey. If you've got a default image set, that's already been placed into it for you. You can set a link to your home page. And you can add an email link address. This is in there so that if people have questions or comments about your published page, they can email directly to an address of your choice and respond to you. So I'll put one in. Okay, then we go on to the analyses. What we do is we run reports and pick individual analyses out that we want to link to this publisher page. It's a really simple process, and here's how you do it. In the drop down list are all of your surveys. Pick the survey that you're interested in and click the Go button, and it takes you directly to the survey to the Analyze tab. We'll run a quick response cross-reference report based on the usual values. So we'll go for our criteria like so. Click Next, and we'll go for favourite type of holiday as a bar overlay. We then build the report. So there's our report, and beneath each analysis individually you'll see a link this to a publisher page link. If you then click on that, it then takes you to the publisher analysis link. Whilst here, you can then review the chart that you've asked to put into your published page and pick the publisher project that you want to put it into. I'll pick my new published page. Okay, the analysis title has been filled in for you, but because this is your published page, you can actually remove this information and change it to something that you want to, which is more descriptive. So it's up to you, whatever you want to call this. So let's remove that and we'll call it 15 to 40 males holiday types. We can also put a description in here. Like that. When we've put our information in, we can then select that we want to go to the publisher page, and then we click the link button. Right, now we're back at the publisher page that we started from, and we've now got a linked analysis. So just like you would on the survey creator, you continue to add those in. So let's do another quick one. Of course, it doesn't matter which survey these values come from, you can mix and match to make it fit exactly how you want it to fit. So if we picked that survey there, and we can add another cross-reference report, let's go for a similar set of values. So we'll go for females up to 45. Let's take that one as well. And we'll go which newspapers. Let's go for how often do you buy a newspaper. Let's build that. Okay, there's our result output. And again, we click link this to a publisher page. So we still pick the same publisher page project, and we can change the title text again. There we go. Let's just make that spelling correct. There we are. So our publisher's notes again are cross-referenced information. There we go. And go to the publisher page. So we link to the publisher page, and now in our step 3 we've now got 2 analyses linked. Don't forget that these are from two different surveys, and we can continue to add them as we want to. When we've added all the analyses that we want to add, we go to the final step, which is where we preview and publish. You can see on here that we've actually got a direct link to our published page, which we can then use in our emails or on our website as a link to the published results. So let's preview the output. So here's our published page. We can see that our notes are in, our title's in, and our 2 analyses are in there. We can also see our publisher's notes that we added at the time of creating the published page analysis. Each one of the analyses on this page also has verification details, which define exactly where this report was built from, which gives the reader peace of mind that what it actually says it is where it's come from. So they can read those verification details to prove that what you say about your published report is true, ensuring transparency for everybody. So that page is now available on the internet for anybody to see. That's how the Publish Page Creator works. It's a very simple process, and it's quite easy to use, particularly if you wanted to add feedback and testimonials from a survey that you've done. I'll show you how easy that is. Pick a publisher page project that you're interested in and go through the process as per usual. Then pick the survey that contains those testimonials you want to output and do a text search report. So here we go. This report contains some testimonials that we want to publish and let everybody read. We do a text search report and we search for all values and build report. So here are our output values, and for any of those we can select the link to a publisher page, and we'll select a few of those that we want to take. Let's carry on like that, and we'll leave the rest. We'll just take a few. At the bottom of the page there's a publish text selections box. Click the button and it then shows us what we've got. We make sure it's linked to our publisher project, and that's all we've got to do really. Let's link to publisher page, go next, and preview our output. And there we've got it. We've got a web page with testimonials on. Genuine testimonials from feedback from people who've filled in our surveys. All we have to do at this point is tick the box, click publish, and this page is now live on the internet. Use the link in the direct link text to create a link on your website, or you can email it to people if you want them to go and have a look. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.